angles inside parallel lines. The parallel lines are indicated by the two arrows, and we've got another line passing through the two parallel lines. So anytime you get a question like this, first thing I recommend you do is put a spot there and a spot there where the lines cross. We'll draw a large ring around those four angles and a large ring around those four angles as well. Now, to cut a long story short, angles which are in the same position within their respective circles are called corresponding angles, and those angles are equal. So this 100 is in the bottom right position of that circle. So that corresponds to the bottom right of this circle. So therefore, those angles are equal. So if bottom right here is 100, bottom right here is also 100. Okay, let's get a different colour. Let's do pink. The two top right angles are also equal. So those two would be the same. The two top left angles are also equal. So this green one here would be equal to this green one here. They would be corresponding. And the two bottom left angles, which are marked in grey, that one and that one, would also be corresponding and therefore be equal. So what else does that tell us then? Well, we need to see if anything else is 100. Now, what we should also know, maybe from a previous year, is anytime you've got a cross, the point in the middle is called the vertex. And we've got this word vertically opposite. It doesn't mean vertically as in up and down. The word vertically in this sense of the word comes from the word vertex. So it means opposite at the vertex. So the one on top here is opposite the one at the bottom, and the one on the right, left-hand side is opposite the one on the right. And vertically opposite angles are also equal. So if this one here is 100, the one vertically opposite, the yellow 100, would be the green one, which would also be 100. And the one vertically opposite this yellow one, vertically opposite along the vertex, jumping over the point, would also be 100. So all the 100 angles would be the two yellow ones and the two green ones. If you did want to go a stage further and figured out what the grey and pink ones were, if you basically cover up the bottom half of each circle, you would then end up with angles on a straight line. So the green one and the pink one make angles on a straight line, which add up to 180. So this pink one would have to be 80 to make it add up to 180. And then this pink one would also have to be 80 for two separate reasons. Reason number one, because it makes angles on a straight line with this green one. Reason number two, because it corresponds to the other pink one, and corresponding angles are equal. Then you can say vertically opposite angles in a cross over the point are equal. So the grey one has to be 80 because it's opposite the pink 80, because it's angles on a straight line with the green 100, and it's angles on a straight line with the yellow 100 as well. And this grey one here is also going to have to be 80. It's corresponding to the other grey 80 that we've already got, so it's equal. It's vertically opposite to the pink 80, and it's angles on a straight line with the green 100 and the yellow 100. So there you have it. Although there's 8 angles, there's only 2 actual different angles. 4 of them are 100s and 4 of them are 80s. The whole circle, by the way, in each one actually adds up to 360, doesn't it? So 2 lots of 100 and 2 lots of 80 added together makes 360.